Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Beauty Bubble. So I made a video on Spice Star Academy in which you guys have asked a lot of questions. You guys have clearly a lot of doubts regarding Spice Star Academy and aviation industry as of now, because you know the lockdown is going on right now. So some of you have this question that whether the airlines will work or not, or if they will hire the crew or not. So I'm here to clear all your doubts regarding everything regarding airlines you have right now. So yeah, let's get started. So many of you have this question whether Spice Star Academy is hiring crew or not, or whether SpiceJet is taking crew or not. So I would like to answer this by saying that right now it's a very critical situation for everyone. So right now I don't think that they are hiring crew as such for another further 2 or 3 months or 4 months, because they have stopped the training too for all those who are already recruited for Spice Star. They have also stopped their trainings and they are starting minimal operations right now. So I don't think Spice Star is hiring any crew right now, or SpiceJet is hiring any crew right now. Let alone SpiceJet, I don't think any airline is hiring any crew right now, be it international or be it domestic. So I don't think there is any such procedure as of now. So you might have to wait for 2 or 3 months or 4 months for that. So later on, you may get the chances, or you will definitely get the chance to get recruited by airlines or the airline industry if you want to be a crew. Next thing, some of you have asked me that what is the recruiting procedure for SpiceJet and Spice Star basically? How do they recruit? Do they conduct GDs? Do they take PIs and all? So guys, you need to understand, I have said this a lot of times, that this is like a normal cabin crew interview. Although they don't take as much rounds as happens in the normal interviews, but then they do take rounds. It totally depends upon them whether they want to take your GD or not. For me, they only took my PI. I just had only one round. It was just interview with the HR, and post that I got selected. But then for some they took the GD, for some they took the grooming check and everything. So yes, grooming check will be there. They will ask you certain questions. That is also there. But then I don't think that GD is mandatory for everyone. They don't take GDs for everyone, especially not for me. They didn't took any GD for me. So yeah, that makes you another question. Another question some of you have asked me that what are the question and answer that are being asked in Spice Star or SpiceJet. So guys, you have to understand that Spice Star again is a company of SpiceJet only. SpiceJet has started Spice Star. So whatever questions they have been asking, it's all related to crew, like every normal cabin crew interview that you have given or you might have come across, like what is your name and tell me something about yourself, introduce yourself, why do you want to become a crew, why do you want to join our industry, and all such questions. So Spice Star doesn't ask you any specific questions. Yes, they might ask you if you want to do MBA, BBA, why and all. They might ask you about your educational qualifications later on, but then all of the questions which are related to crew are similar, which are being asked in every cabin crew interview, every normal interview. So you need not to worry about all those questions that what are they asking. Prepare for any interview that you do, and prepare it like it is a normal interview. It doesn't take anything else to be recruited by Spice Star or SpiceJet. Another question some of the guys have asked me is that does Spice Star Academy takes guys too? So yes, guys, Spice Star Academy recruit guys too. There are a lot of guys which I had when I was in Spice Star in my batch. So there are still many guys in Spice Star, and SpiceJet do have male cabin crew too. So yes, they definitely require male crew, and they definitely hire male as men as crew also. So yes, you may try your luck, you may go there, you may give the interview and do your best and you will get selected. So some of you have asked this question that when did I get recruited in Spice Star and what happens inside Spice Star, what will be your next step after you get selected. So guys, I was selected in Spice Star in September last year, and post that I did my training and now I am working as a crew with SpiceJet. And when you get selected, you don't have to do anything. It's just that you will just follow the procedure. You will get recruited. They will give you the hospital details and everything for your medical checkup, which is again very important when you go for any cabin crew, or when you get selected for a cabin crew, they definitely ask you, every airline asks you for a medical round. So they ask you for the medicals to get done, and you get your medical done, and then you just join the company. So yes, they get started with the training, and rest is just later on. Whatever happens in the training, that is a total different experience you will have later on when you will get recruited. Some of you have asked me that what percentage do we need to clear Spice Star and everything. See guys, Spice Star is not an exam, and we don't need to clear Spice Star. Yes, definitely Spice Star is a training academy, and they recruit crew and they get them trained, and later on the basis of their training they take their exams, and they want certain marks and certain percentage for the crew to get clear and do everything. Otherwise, if you will not able to clear the exams, they will hold you back. So yes, they definitely need approx 80% in every exams, and if you have that 80% in your results or whatever, they will get you clear and they will let you go, and they will clear you as a cabin crew. So this is another question which Vikram Kumar has asked me. So you don't need to, for recruitment, you don't need any exams or any percentage like Vistara does. They need 70 or 60% something in their exams, in the 12th exams to recruit crew. But Spice doesn't have this formula that you need to get any certain percentage in your 12th or 11th to clear in Spice Star. Later on, if you join the industry, then of course you will have the trainings and exams and everything related to the subject, and then you definitely need some certain percentage to clear those. And otherwise, if you're not getting that percentage, they won't clear you further. So this is it for today's video, guys. I think I have cleared all your doubts, and if you have further more doubts, you can write in the comment section and let me know. I will definitely make another video on regarding the same. And if you guys want to know anything apart from that from me, you may comment that too, and I will let you guys know about all the, if you want to know about the experiences that I have while I was working as a crew, so I would let you know that too. You may just tell me in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.